Dear students, in this session, I am going to explain on the construction of index numbers by using family budget method, aggregate expenditure method. Now, problems on consumer price index method or the aggregate expenditure method. So, the formula to calculate indices or index numbers by according to aggregate expenditure method is P01 is equal to sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. So P01 price index number for the current year is equal to sigma P1 Q0 means current year price into base year quantity divided by sigma P0 Q0 base year price into base year quantity and multiplied by the 100. So this is the formula where we used to construct the indices or index numbers uh, according to the aggregate expenditure the method. Now, the first problem here we take calculate a consumer price index number using aggregate expenditure method from the following data. Uh, Here, the different items are given and the price base year, price current year, and quantity base year are given. So here base year price means P0, uh, base year price P0, and base year current year price P1 means 0 indicates that the base year and 1 indicates that the current year. Q means quantity and P is equal to the price. So therefore P0, P1 and Q0 are given. So having these the data, we have to construct a price index number using aggregate expenditure method. So here items are to be written in the first column, and price base year price P0, current year price P1, base year quantity Q0. So with the help of these three columns, we can uh, construct another four columns. So P1 Q0, first it is to be computed here. P1 Q0 current year price and base year quantity. P1 Q0, P1 Q0 50 into 30 1500, 35 into 20 700, 38 into 10 380, 85 into 5 425, 75 into 3 225. Therefore P0 Q0. So P0 Q0 base year price and base year quantity 40 into 30 1200, 30 into 20 600, 32 into 10 320, 75 into 5 375, 65 into 3 195. Therefore here P is to be calculated. Here P is equal to price relatives. Price relatives that can be calculated as P1 by P0 into 100. Current year price divided by base year price into 100. P1 50 by 40 into 100 is equal to 125. 35 by 30 into 100 116.667. 38 by 32 into 100 equals 118.75. 85 by 75 into 100 is equal to 113.33. 75 by 65 into 100 is equal to 115.385. Then we can calculate PW, means the product of P and W. P into W is equal to PW. P into W means P0Q0. W is equal to P0Q0. Base year price and quantity. 120, 125 into 1200, 1,50,000. 116.667 into 3 600 equals 70,000. 118.75 into 320 is equal to 38,000. 113.33 into 375 is equal to 42,500. 115.385 into 195 is equal to 22,500. Now, sigma PW is equal to 3,23,000. Sigma P0Q0 or 2,690, and sigma P1Q0 is equal to 3,230. So here we can construct indices or index numbers by using family budget method, means aggregate expenditure method, by applying any one of two the formula in which we can apply here. So P01 is equal to sigma P1Q0 divided by sigma P0Q0, or you can apply another formula, sigma PW divided by sigma W, means 3,23,000 divided by 2,690. So aggregate expenditure method P01 is equal to sigma P1Q0 divided by sigma P0Q0 into 100. Therefore, the value of P1Q0 is equal to the total of P1Q0 3,230, and the total of P0Q0 2,690 into 100 is equal to 120.074%. This is what the indices or index numbers according to the aggregate expenditure method. And this means that in the current year the prices of all the commodities had been increased by 20.074% when compared to the last year. Now take second problem. Calculate consumer price index number using aggregate expenditure method from the following data. So here different items are given here, and units consumed in base year, means what Q0 quantity for the base year, and price in base year P0, and price in current year P1 are given, means Q0 base year quantity, uh, base year price, and current year price are given. So with this given data, we have to calculate or construct consumer price index number by using aggregate expenditure method. So here first we have to prepare a table showing the values of the total of sigma, means the total of PW and W or P1 Q0. So here you we can apply a formula, any one of two the types of formulae. So one is was P01 or CPI, consumer price index. CPI is equal to, or P01 or CPI consumer price index is equal to sigma P1Q0 divided by sigma P0Q0, or else sigma PW divided by sigma W. So here the base year quantity first column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, current and base year price second column ಅಲ್ಲಿ, and in the third column we have written current year price ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So therefore W is equal to weights is equal to P0Q0. So P0Q0 1 into 20 20, 3 into 50 150, 4 into 50 200, 20 means 50 into 4 200, 20 into 20 400, 20, 40 into 2.50 100, 50 into 10 500, 60 into 2 120, 40 into 15 600. Now calculate P1Q0, 1.20 into 20 24, 3.50 into 50 175, 5 into 50 250, 30 into 20 600, 5 into 40 200, 15 into 50 750, 2.50 into 60 150, and 18 into 40 720. And we can also calculate another, and the value P is equal to P1 by P0 into 100 in the next column, means price relatives. P is equal to P1 by P0 into 100, current year price divided by base year price into 100. P1 1.20 by 1 is equal to 120 into 100, 120, 3.50 by 3 into 100, 116.67, 5 by 4 into 100, 125, 30 by 20 into 100, 150, 5 by 2.50 into 100, 200, 15 by 10 into 100, 150, 2.50 by 2 into 100, 125, 18 by 15 into 100, 120. Now calculate the value of PW, means P into W in the next, the last column, uh, P price relatives, and multiplied with W P0 Q0, 120 into 20 2400, 116.67 into 150 17,500.5, 125 into 200 25,000, 150 into 400 60,000, 200 into 100 20,000, 150 into 500 75,000, 125 into 120 15,000, and then 120 into 600 72,000. So therefore sigma PWO is equal to 2,86,900.5, and then sigma P1Q0 is equal to 2,869, and sigma W is equal to 2090. So here price relatives or consumer price index can be calculated by applying any one of two types of formulae. So one is CPI, or P01 is equal to sigma PW divided by sigma W, or sigma P1Q0 divided by sigma P0Q0. So here sigma P1Q0 divided by sigma P0Q0 into 100 is equal to 2869 divided by 2090 into 100 is equal to 137.27272. This is what the consumer price index or indices or index numbers by using aggregate expenditure, the method. and it shows that the prices of all the items or the commodities which had been uh, increased by 37.2727 in the current year as compared to the base year. This is what the method of constructing the method of constructing the indices or index numbers by using family consumer price index or the aggregate expenditure method. So and this is the way in which we are going to construct indices or index numbers, and by which you can clearly understand the method of constructing indices.